Did you know that regular maintenance and repair of your garage door opener can help prevent accidents, ensure safety, and increase the lifespan of your garage door? Not only that, but it can also help you save money on energy bills by improving energy efficiency and maintaining the curb appeal of your home. And if you're worried about the security of your property, timely repairs can ensure that your garage door opener functions as intended, providing reliable security for your belongings and loved ones. So, if you want to keep your garage door in top condition, book our garage door services today.